Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you a live demo how our software works and how we can use it for live analysis with trailing stop loss, and you can see the trade histories here for our algo trade. We'll just go through this detail. Okay, and here you can see the accuracy. It's 75% winning ratio, and this is a like it is not 100% strategy which we have already applied, but this is a sample product where I will show you how you can build your own strategies. Okay, so first what I will do is I will just browse the trade file. Okay, this is our trade history file. Okay, I am loading it. Once I load it, it will connect it. Now what I will do is I will run this application. Okay, this is the application. As soon as I run this application, it will open like this. Let me make it bigger size. Okay, now I am recording this call on 31st March 2025 night 10:46 time. Okay, so here you can see how it is getting loaded. Now what I'll do is, here it is asking for paper trade or live trader, so I'll take it as we'll do it to live trade only. Okay, it will give ask for confirmation. So I'll just type it confirm in capital letters, CONFIRM, confirm. Now telegram alerts, I'll give it as already enabled, so I'll just skip it. And now historical data, as today it is a Ramzan, due to which morning session was closed. So what I'll do is evening session market is open. So for now what I'll do is I'll just disable historical data. Okay, now I have disabled the historical data. It is loaded successfully and it is getting loaded. Here you can see live trade mode is on. You can see here live trade mode. It is creating the new sheet. Here also what I have done is, in this video I am going to show you how the trailing stop loss works. Okay, we have not implemented the algo application here. I'll just, in this video I am going to show you how manually we'll add a stocks and we'll see the performance. As soon as it is loaded here, you can see it is created the new market watch sheet. Everything is newly loaded, and here instruments is getting loaded. All the instruments, it's more than 1.5 lakh instruments available in the broker terminal. Everything is getting loaded. Okay, so initially it will take time. You can see here. You can see 1,03,761 instruments. Okay, whatever instruments you want, you can add it. So manually I'll try to add some silver stocks now. Okay, as no market is trading in silver, live market, we'll try to place a live silver order and we'll check it out. Okay, so I'll just filter it with MCX. Okay, here I will take futures. For futures, not call option, not put option, just take it blank. Symbol, I will select it as silver. We can select any instrument. For now, for testing purpose, I will just open silver, and also we can go with natural gas also for your understanding. So expiry, I select April, May, June. Let's see April, May, June what all contracts are available. So I will take silver micro April and June, and natural gas for April contract. Copy and paste it. From here only we can paste it. So I'll just show you how you can build your own strategies. Okay, as soon as I add here, these instruments are loaded. You can see these instruments are loaded. So what I'll do is I'll try to make a short sell and we'll show you how it will work. Short sell and short sell, MIS order. Okay, both this MIS order. Now what I'll do is I'll just put a small strategy kind of thing here. So this is my entry levels. Okay, SL, target, difference. So what I'll do is entry level I'll copy from the LTP. Okay, entry level I'll copy from the LTP. Okay, you can see here, this is a matrix. You can see the whatever reports we are getting here in this screen. Same reports you will get it here also. Okay, 75% accuracy, 75% accuracy, 1896 profit. You can see here also 1896 profit. What is the winning ratio is 75% ratio. Win trades are 12, loss trades are 4. Okay, highest largest win is 1520 rupees, largest loss is 2000 rupees, average win price is 579 rupees on average trades. Okay, it's just a sample trade. This is how it will give the accuracy. I'm just showing you the other part. So here what I've done is, now I'll place a entry level. Here is a entry level. So I'll make it as SL, target, and difference. So stop loss, how much we will place a difference of 100 rupees. We'll try to place a order and try it. Okay, so 100 rupees difference I'll place a stop loss and target. So stop loss will be for selling order, as I will be doing sell trade. So entry minus 100 rupees, sorry, entry plus 100 rupees will be the stop loss for short trade, right? You can see here, and target is entry minus 100 rupees. Okay, so we are only silver will try to place a order here. You can see both are silver micro. So quantity I will place a 5 quantity. Okay, just for your understanding. So what I'll take is stop loss. I'll take it from this level to here, stop loss. Okay, same way target. You can see here I have taken the target also. Above, below we are not considering now, and we'll try to trade with a stop loss. So this is the stop loss. So trailing stop loss, what I will do is whatever difference we have taken, for that divided by 3 we'll take it, so that our trailing stop loss start adding. Okay, so for your understanding I am doing this method. So this is also a basic calculation what I have done. So whenever you want to trade anything, say for example market, if you see the chart here, try to concentrate now. Now what I do is I just open this chart. Which contract is this? It's silver micro April contract, right? So what I'll do, silver micro, I just reload this chart. Silver April, I opened. I'll open the chart. So what I feel is now it may break the bottom. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go for short sell. So from here if I make a short, 33 rupees will be the trailing stop loss, I'm just for, this is not exact calculation strategy, I'm just showing you a demo. Okay, so what I'll do is CCUT, I'll both the orders I'll execute now. You can see as soon as I place this order, it has hit the levels. Okay, so sell order it has taken. From here you can see, here also you can see 2 orders is been placed now. Okay, 1055, 1055, both the sell orders has placed, and the silver micro April contract. This is the chart, this is the window. You can see here orders is been placed here, raw order. Okay, so trade target hit. Entry price 940, 936. Oh, 1 second, what happened, we'll check it out. So I think now you can see, we'll open it in here. Yeah, here you can see it was trailing stop loss, it has placed and hit the trailing stop loss. This trade detail you can see in, this is the Telegram. Okay, mobile screen it will show like this. You can see here orders is being placed 10:55 time. First we'll go from 10:55. Here is a 10:55 trade. New trailing stop loss 940, trailing stop loss 33 points. As soon as it came down, so difference is buyer seller, there might be a difference. So immediately it has hit the stop loss and trade is been booked. You can see silver micro, entry price, exit price. The other trade also happened now. You can see this time now. See here 17. Okay, so this is not a profit loss, it doesn't matter a profit or loss. I just want to show you how the logics work here. What I done is I placed a stop loss. You can see here same message you will get here, and you can check it out in trade history also. Just filter out today's trade. Okay, today's trade I filter, refresh. This auto refresh I have not selected, no I have selected. So every second it will get refresh in 5 seconds. You can change it to your wish. Okay, if you want to 1 second or 10 seconds, you can make a time delay. You can see here, see what happened is here, one is target was done, I mean trailing stop loss it was hit. The other one is without trailing stop loss, it has hit the exit point. Okay, you can see 744 minus 777. We'll just open in calculator and we'll show you how is the calculation happened. 777 minus 744, 777 minus 777 minus 744. So you can see 33 points. So 33 points trailing stop loss it made, and it is hit the exit. Okay, so 33 into 5 is the lot size. You can see here, this is the profit loss. You can see 165 rupees, 166 rupees. Okay, whatever the best price is going to happen, see here you can see this, because of this 33 paisa it is showing this much amount. Okay, same order will be placed in a broker terminal also. You can check it over here. Yeah, here broker my system is actually becoming a bit slow now. You can see sell and buy, everything is happened here. Okay, to sell, to buy. This is how it will place the orders: sell, buy. So this is how it has happened. So what we'll do is we'll try to take one more trade. So anyways, this trade is completed now. Again what I will do is, with this LTP, I'll copy this LTP now. Here what I'll do, again this is the new entry I'll place. Now again I'll place a sell trades, but here I'll make a twist before executing. Instead of divided by 3, what I'll do is I'll place a I'll change the target and stop loss from 150. Okay, so that immediately our stop loss will not hit, because 33 point silver in any time it may trigger. So what I will done is 150 rupees stop loss I will placed, and trailing stop loss will be placing with 50 points. So what I will do, I will copy this LTP levels, entry points I have pasted. Now anyways it is in sell call, market trader, I will execute. Now again what will happen, the order will fire in the broker. You can see here also it will show trade. See here you can see trades happened and trailing stop loss is placed. You can see entry price 758, 808 is the stop loss, 50 points difference it has placed the stop loss. Same way the other order will also be passing. You can check it out here, and even in our this system here also you can see trade will execute. It will refresh. One moment. I think still it is not refreshed. Yeah, here you can see 2 sell orders been placed. 1, 2. Okay, these 2 orders is been placed here, 950 and 758. Same thing you can check it here also. Here you can see 950, 50 points. This one is 50 points. 2 orders is been placed, and we are waiting for the trailing stop loss. Stop loss will be trailed downward, maintaining 50 points. So whenever the points is coming down, say for example how it will work, I'll explain you with a MS Paint. Better we can yeah, here only I'll explain. Now we have placed a sell order, right? So this is the sell point. Okay, we'll consider as this one. This is the sell point, and trailing stop loss we have placed TREIL, trailing is sell 50 points, right? 50 points. So whenever the market is coming down, if it is market is coming down from here, escape. Say for example market is coming down 50 points. Okay, if it is coming from here 50 points, if it is changing to 51 points, so what it will do is this stop loss, this trailing stop loss will change from this point to this point. Okay, so trailing stop loss, whenever the selling levels like market is coming down, this trailing stop loss will keep coming down, so that it will protect your losses, and this stop loss is not being placed in the broker terminal. You can see this one also, here also it is being placed. Okay, this is the last trade. Summary happened. So next trade, whenever the stop loss is being modified, you will get the telegram alert. Here we will get the telegram alert, and also we can see the chart here also. Getting refresh, will let me refresh this one. Okay, and in our Excel also you can see it is waiting for next stop loss and target. Stop loss or target, whichever is hitting, it will try to exit this position. Okay, you can see this MTMS also keep changing here, because now market closing time 11:20, 11:05, 11:30 will be the market closing time. So it will be having less slow movement. You can see it in chart also. It is getting loaded. Which one is a trade? Silver Micro, April. Silver Micro, April and June. Silver Micro, April. This is the Silver Micro April contract. What I have done is 50-point trailing stop loss I have kept. You can see it is trying to go up now. Okay. What was the selling point? Silver Micro April contract. Silver Micro April contract. Entry point is 950. 950 is the, yeah, you can see here. This is our entry point. 950 selling point. And here is the stop loss. 1 or 2 points difference it is showing in chart. I mean, not able to mark it properly. So anyways, here you can see as soon as 950 to 900, if it is coming below 900, this is the point. Okay, as soon as this market comes to below this point, or if it is going to this point, either our stop loss will hit or the trailing stop loss will start. Let's wait and watch what will happen, whether the market will come down or it will go to stop loss. We'll check it out. Okay, I'll just play this live record. Okay, I'll not pause anything here. We'll just keep running this video and we'll wait for the movement. Here you can see it is trying to maybe hitting the stop loss also. We'll just wait. Okay, or in case if you want to modify the stop loss, suppose now it is given 50 points, right? So what I'll do is I'll try to add another, I'll try to make it 2.5. Something message came here, let me see. Okay, not hit the stop loss or target. You can see here trailing stop loss, it is waiting for the trailing stop loss 50 points difference only. Okay, either it is not hit the target or stop loss. You can still showing us waiting for stop loss and target. You can see here again it is showing a loss because it's going up. You can see here this is the situation, right? We'll wait for either stop loss or target. You can see it's very near to the stop loss. We'll just see what will happen. Okay, it has hit the stop loss. You can see here selling two sell trades was there. No message came. You can see trade is been closed. You can see entry price 950, exit price 1000, because 1000 was the stop loss, right? So 250 rupees, 50 points into 5 is the quantity, 50 into 5, 250. So you can see 250 rupees is the loss. Same trade it will be showing here also. The other message came. Let me see in Telegram how it is showing. You can see here. Oh, okay, it was not refreshing. Actually, for viewing purpose, I have selected a mobile view here. That is the reason it is not showing you properly. We'll just close it. Why to confuse? Just show you here. You can see here. Okay. So this is how it has hit the. I think it is not refreshing. I'll just refresh it. I'll show you here what has happened. So you can see here 950 sold, 950 and 1 lakh covered. So both the stop loss is hit here also. Okay, for sample purpose I am showing you this video. so it is not our like exact strategy. Okay, I just wanted to show you the trailing stop loss feature, how it works. Okay, and this is helpful for the market, like trending market, when the stocks are going in our favor. If you are properly using the strategy, and if you are applying the trailing stop loss, if the market is going in our favor, so the chances of like making like instead of booking 30 points or 20 points target, we can try to capture all 80 or 100 points in bank nifty, the two especially in options trading, nifty bank nifty. While we trade, we have built all our own strategies here. I'll just try to open this strategy file and I'll show you how it will work, because many people were asking like what is the exact strategy and how it works. So I'll show you how this will work. I'll not connect with the live market, but I'll show you how the Excel is connected. Okay, so this is the Excel which we can be converted. Okay, whichever file we are given as Excel Algo Trader, that file will connect with this software. So for this I have given a rename and I have kept it, and for showing you sample copy I have given a blank Excel formula like this. This is the manual trade, how you can do it on your own. If you want to place entry or exit with minimum trailing stop loss with the targets and stop loss, or also you can build your own strategies like here what I have shown you. Here you will be getting the open high low data with first 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 45 minutes. Okay, all these data you will get last week's open high low close. All this data you will get it here. As we have off this historical data, it is not showing here. When you are trading in live market, you can on this. With this you can calculate your own formulas and you can make a entry levels. Same thing we have done in this our application. I'll just open this one. Not getting opened. Let me see. Okay, this will be connected. Once you rename with this file, this 1111, if you remove this one, no, then one in this folder, internal folder, whichever file is named with the Excel Algo Trader, that file it will be connected. Okay, I think it is not opening. No, it is opening. Yeah, this is the strategy file what we are providing. Same, it is like a older version. Here you will get all the detail, but here instead of every month you are updating this contract node data, it will automatically load it here, and weekly contract you have to select it from here. For Nifty Bank Nifty, in Market Watch you will get this same feature. Okay, for now we have done only Nifty Bank Nifty futures, Nifty Bank Nifty call options and put options. We have given the data here. If you want to add more stocks, you can keep adding here. Okay, whatever stocks or futures you want to add, options trades, you can add it here. Okay, only as in our earliest video we were saying, no, same thing. What you have to do is you have to mention the quantity and just copy this start from here to here and then paste it. And also we have done some changes here. We have inbuilt all the strategies with a different name. Okay, you can see we have given all the strategies with name and strategy number. Okay, so for example, now Nifty April, May, June, 3 contracts are there. In these 3 contracts I have given 3 different strategies. One lot will try to trade with a trend continuation. One trade will try to implement the strategy called volatility expansion. One strategy we try to apply is range breakout. Okay, so this is how the strategy name we have given here, and explanations we have given here. Only for the paid clients, they may see what is exactly the strategy. It's simple breakout strategy. Okay, if in this sheet you will get all the explanation how it is been calculated. So what we do is here trend reversal. We have some calculations for trend reversal. Same way we have calculation for trend continuation. Same way we have a different calculation for volatility expansion. Okay, different strategy have different buying and selling levels with different targets and stop losses. So this is how it will work, and you can select the strategy here. Say for example, now what I have done is, for example, this Nifty, 4 put options we are trading. Imagine 4 put options we are trading. Okay, so what I will do is, for 4 out of 4 options, one I will trade with these strategies. You can check it out here. One is range breakout, one is super support reversal, one is trend continuation, and one is volatility expansion. Okay, so here you can see 5, 2, 3, 4. Same strategies, different. I mean, in put option itself, we are trying to apply 4 different strategies. So it may take up to 4 trades. If you don't want to trade 4 trades, you can just mention it here, which channel trade. If you don't want to trade that one also, you can set the strategy as 0. Okay, here you can make it strategy. For example, if I make it 0, it will be known as unknown strategy. Okay, so there won't be any trade. If I select 1, it will be considering as momentum breakout. 2, if I select, it will be a support reversal. Same way 3, if I select, it will be a trend continuation. This is how it will work. Okay, so different strategies you can select and try to apply it on the particular index options. Okay, here it is all showing 0 0 because now the market is not there. That is the reason the values are showing 0. Okay, and also we have already set the trailing stop loss. You can check it here. We have already fixed the trailing stop loss, and we have given the formulas also. Whatever the according to our strategy and calculation, we have built the calculations, and we have given the trailing stop loss also. Okay, it is not like you have to keep doing everything manually. Just you can select the options which and all you want to trade, select the quantity, and copy paste. Okay, just copy and paste it, and in dashboard you have to just change this expiry dates weekly or monthly accordingly, and then on it you have to select the date, live trade data. Now last trade was 27th March, so next tomorrow if you want to trade, we can select the data 1st April, then it will be automatically waiting for the stop loss and target levels. You can see here above and below levels we have marked here. We have already, all the formulas has been already written here. You can check it. So stop loss, target, above level, below level, future entry and exit level. Okay, in between what range it has to trade. This is the trailing stop loss. Okay, everything is set here. Just fix the quantity and you can place the orders. If you want any other instruments, you can keep adding here. You can add up to 250 instruments. You can see the list. Okay, 249, up to 249 instruments. You can keep adding which and all instruments you want to trade. You can select the name from instrument sheet. This is the trading symbol. This is the trading symbol, what you have to mention it there. Okay, once you mention the strategy name here, it will be added and it will be placed the live orders. This is how it will work. I hope you got some idea, basic idea on how our strategy, which is already we have done the calculations, and without the calculation here. Okay, here we are doing it everything manually, and even here we are doing it manually, but we have already written the formulas, what exactly buying and selling point, everything we have written the formula in strategy, and just need to apply it using this dashboard. Okay, this is how it works. If you have any doubts or if you want any confusions, you can check it out. or you can call check this video once again. And also we have a dashboard here. Okay, this is the analysis dashboard or trade analysis dashboard, where you can filter all the trades, whatever all you have done the trades, either paper trade or live trade, you can filter it. Trade mode, you can check it out here, live trade or paper trade, and even directions, buy trades or sell trades, how it is being giving the accuracy. This is also you can check it out. And also date range, date range, you can select the trades date range and you can check it out exactly what is the performance. And this is the chart analysis for your better understanding. This is a trade history. Okay, this is the chart analysis. This is the detailed analysis. Okay, how many trades has been traded in gold mini, May contract, April contract, gold mini and silver mini, silver micra contract. Okay, buy directions. So sell directions, you can see how the accuracy is. When doing a buy trade, it is only 40% accuracy. While doing a sell trade, it is giving 73% accuracy. Exiting a target, it is giving a 80% accuracy. Okay, this is how it will work. And even in the trailing stop loss, this is a 60% accuracy and it is hitting the profit. Okay, this is how it will work. This is the max trade profit, what we call max trade loss, what we have done. Okay, risk reward ratio, profit factor, how much is of profit factor, everything you can do the analysis using this trade analysis tool. Okay, here is a basic summary. Total how many trades happened, what is the winning rate. Earlier it was 75% and today just now we placed some 4 trades, because of which the accuracy came down from 75 to 65. Okay, this is how it is, just sample data, and we have not calculated this on with this strategy. Okay, we have not done this report with this strategy because we are doing it for sample, for showing you the live demo videos. We are using this manual exit and trade. Okay, this is the manual trades what we have done, and for that this is the accuracy. This is how it is calculated. Okay, I hope you understood some basic concept of our software and our strategy, how we have built using the formula, basic Excel formulas. Using that we have built its application, and this is the raw application where you can do your own analysis. If you have any calculations, either stop, like VWAY, Piabo, like what we call, few people have their open halo breakout strategies. Some people prefer weekly halo breakout strategies. With this data you can create your own pivot levels. Okay, you can calculate the pivot points and R1, R2, resistance 1, resistance 2. All this calculation you can do it your own. You can add a number of sheets here. Same calculation you can put it in this rows. Accordingly you can make a formulas here. Okay, bring those calculations and place the orders. Okay, like what we have built in this, right? This is all, everything we have built on our own. Using that raw data only we have built this application. Okay, this is the Excel what we have built from that raw Excel sheet. Okay, here you can see how we have written all the formulas. You can see here we have written multiple formulas, if and or conditions. You can see multiple of if and or conditions we have placed, and we are just taking the strategy from other sheet. Okay, here you can see if and conditions we have placed here for buying and selling. Okay, this is all sample how it will work. This much data you can fill it, or you can do it however you have a knowledge on Excel. If you don't have a knowledge on Excel, you can use this sheet and you can place Algo trades. If you have any doubts, please contact me or my WhatsApp number. I request you to please ping me on my WhatsApp instead of calling, because we will be giving a proper support on the WhatsApp messages. Apart from instead of making calls and regular follow up, we will be actively responding on WhatsApp. If you have questions, please ping me on WhatsApp. We'll have more discussion. And thank you for watching this video. Good day.